Hello and welcome back, dear students. Today we will move on to the next chapter, that is chapter number 5, Energy Resources on Geography. So in the previous class we have discussed about the mineral resources, but today we will move on to the energy resources. So first of all, let us define what is energy. Definitions of energy may be the input in the production of goods and services, or the ability to do work, or the capacity to do work may be defined as the energy. And this energy is available in different forms and is obtained from various sources. It is required for all activities in our daily life. Energy is needed to cook, provide light, heat, drive vehicles, and run machinery in different sectors of economy. Without energy, this all will not be possible. And hence, energy is available in different forms and is obtained from various sources. On the basis of their sources, energy resources can be classified as two categories. That is, number one, conventional energy, and number two, non-conventional energy. But today we will discuss about this conventional energy. Okay, conventional energy. Conventional source of energy are those which have been used since a long time. The energy which we use since a long time, conventional sources of energy. Example would be firewood, kettle dung cake, coal, petroleum, natural gas, thermal, hydroelectricity, and atomic energy are included in the conventional source of energy, as these are the energy that we use since long time ago. And next, first we have to discuss about coal. Coal, it provides a substantial part of the nation's energy needs, and not only being the major fuel or the source of power, it is also used as raw material for a large number of industries. This coal has been used as a raw material in most of the large numbers of industries, and hence this is why it is called a black coal. And coal is of four types. Number one will be anthracite, number two is bituminous, number three lignite, and number four peat. So what is this anthracite, what is this bituminous, what is this lignite, and what is this peat? Let us discuss. Anthracite is the highest quality hard coal which contains over 80% carbon. And next, the most widely used type of coal in India is bituminous, which contains about 60 to 80% bituminous. You have to remember that this is the common type of coals that we use in India. This is bituminous and which contain 60 to 80% of carbon. And next we have lignite. Lignite is also known as brown coal and contains about 60% carbon. And the lowest will be peat, which contains only 50% of carbon, but the moisture content is as high as 80%. That is the different types of coal and along with their details. And as you can see in the map, this is the coal reserve areas that is found in India. Important Gondwana coal fields are located in the Damodar Valley. They include Raniganj, Jharia, Bokaro, Giridih, Karanpura, Jharkhand, West Bengal coal belt. That is in the Jharkhand to West Bengal coal belt. The river valleys of the Godavari, the Mahanadi, the Son, and the Varda are all situated with the Gondwana deposits. The important mining centers in Singrauli, that is Madhya Pradesh, Korba, Chhattisgarh, Talcher and Rampur, that is in Odisha, Chandawada, Kamti, and Bandar, that is in Maharashtra. And lastly, Singareni and Banduri in Andhra Pradesh. And besides among these, coal deposits also occur in Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Nagaland, and Jammu and Kashmir. They are located in Dharangiri, Cherrapunji, Meulong, and Langrin in Meghalaya, Makum, Jaipur, and Nazira in Assam, Namchik Nampuk in Arunachal Pradesh, and Kalakot in Jammu and Kashmir, and Neyveli in Tamil Nadu. These are the regions where coal reserves are found. And next we will discuss about petroleum. Petroleum is another major source of energy in India after coal. It is used for internal combustion engines in automobiles, railways, and aircraft. Like in the case of this public transport, we depend mostly on the petroleum. And petroleum refineries act as nodal industries for fertilizer, synthetic textiles, and chemical industries. And because of its diversified use and scarcity, petroleum is referred to as liquid gold. You have to know that why petroleum is liquid gold, because it is diversified use and scarcity. Because of its diversified use and scarcity, petroleum is referred to as liquid gold. And in Mumbai, this Sagar Samrat, the first mobile offshore drilling platform, has helped in drilling the oil fields lying below the bottom of the sea. Sagar Samrat is a place where drilling of oil fields lies below the bottom of the sea. And not only that, all exploration and production was systematically taken up in our country after the Oil and Natural Gas Commission that was set up in 1956. And before that, Digboy is a place in Assam, was the only oil producing region in the country. In recent years, oil deposits have been explored in the extreme western part and eastern parts of the country. In Assam, not only Digboy, Narkatia, Moran, Rudrasagar, Galaki, and Hugrizan are the important oil producing centers. And mineral oil is also found in Nigru in Tirap district of Arunachal Pradesh and at Borhola in Nagaland. And the major oil fields of Gujarat are at Ankleshwar, Kalol, Mahesana, Nawagam, Kosamba, Kathana, Barkol, Sanat, and Lunes. As you can see in the map, these are the places where oil refineries have been found. And in the western offshore regions, there lie Mumbai High and Bassein, which are considered to be the richest oil fields in India. This Mumbai High and Bassein, these are the two regions where it is considered to be the richest of oil fields in India. Among them, Narimanam and Kovilapal are the important oil fields in Kaveri offshore area. And as you can see in the picture, this is the Sagar Samrat, which is also at Mumbai High. And lastly, for assignment, let us wind up till petroleum today and continue on the next class. And for assignment today, draw an outline map of India and locate Mumbai High. And number 2, explain the types of coal and also explain in details. I've also explained the type of coal and also details about how many percent of carbon is contained in them, and that too you have explained. And number 3, why is petroleum referred to as liquid gold? And number 4, what is conventional source of energy? Give examples. And lastly, why coal is called black gold? And I hope you do assignments regularly and pay attention to your assignments, because these are the very important questions that we give you in your assignments. So submit your assignments when the lockdown is over. So stay home, stay safe, and thank you.